Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into an AI platform that is changing the game for music creators, MusicCreator.ai. This platform can generate AI music, AI lyrics, and offers a suite of powerful tools that will blow your mind. Whether you are a content creator, musician, or just someone who wants to experiment with AI generated audio, this platform has something for everyone. And to make things interesting, I'm going to attempt something ambitious, creating a theme song for the upcoming Marvel's Avengers Doomsday movie before it even releases. So what exactly can MusicCreator.ai do? Let me give you a quick rundown of their impressive feature set. MusicCreator.ai offers tools for music generation, that is, AI text to music generator, our main focus today. AI lyrics generator for crafting compelling song lyrics, AI singing voice generator, AI rap generator, AI photo to music generator. Yes, you can generate music from images. It also offers audio processing tools like AI stem splitter, which separates vocals, drums, bass, and other elements from a full song. AI vocal remover, which can be used to extract vocals from tracks. There's also AI music mastering, which automatically fine-tunes your recordings. And key and BPM finder, which identifies the musical key and tempo of whatever audio or music or song that you upload to the platform. Some of the advanced features include AI audio to MIDI converter, AI music video generator, happy birthday song generator, Lo-fi converter. The platform is incredibly comprehensive. Now let's get into the actual demo. First things first, you will need to create an account on MusicCreator.ai. If you already have one, just sign in. The platform operates on a credit system, so keep in mind that most features will consume your credits as you use them. Once you are logged in, you will land on the main dashboard where all these tools are accessible. The interface is intuitive and well organized. Everything works. Everything you click takes you exactly where you need to be. For this demo, I am tackling something special, Marvel's Avengers Doomsday, which is one of the most anticipated movies of 2026. Think about it. Theme songs are the unsung heroes of movies. We get caught up in the CGI, the fights, the visual effects, but without the epic background music, the experience just wouldn't be the same. So today, I'm creating a Doomsday-worthy theme song using only AI. Let's see how close we can get to the Marvel Cinematic Sound standard. The first step is crafting the right prompt. I'm typing in my description. The key is being specific about the mode, genre, and energy level you want. For a Marvel Doomsday theme, I need something epic, dark and intense, with powerful crescendos, cinematic quality. I'm including details about the instrumentations, tempo, and overall vibe. The more descriptive you are, the better the results you get. Once I hit generate, the platform processes the request. It typically creates two variations, so you can choose the best one. The generation takes a minute or two depending on the complexity, and it's done.
When the steel turns rust, we are the line that will not run, bleeding in the dark for the break of a sun. Doomsday, are you?
Wow, that's actually great. This is actually quite impressive. Let's just I had to pause for a moment because I didn't want to interrupt the song while it's playing. But wow, that's impressive.
Ash in the air, names in the dust. We stand in the ruins of the vows we trust. You can hear the clocks in the silence, counting what little remains. Doomsday will remember us when the towers break, when the steel turns rust. We are the line that will not run, bleeding in the dark for the break of a sun.
Alright, wow, that's impressive. That is impressive. Wow, Okay, I have to say, this is genuinely impressive. The orchestration, the dramatic build-up, the intensity, it actually captures that Marvel epic feel. The AI understood the assignment. Both versions are strong, but I'm leaning towards the first one. It has that perfect balance of darkness and heroism that fits the Doomsday theme. What's great is you can remix and regenerate if you are not satisfied. You can also extend the song, change the style, or adjust specific elements. But honestly, I'm happy with what we got on the first try. Now here's where it gets even cooler. MusicGenerator.ai can generate a music video to accompany your track. I'm going to select the AI music video generator and feed it my newly created theme song. The platform will automatically generate visuals that match the mood and tempo of the music. You can customize the style, but I'm going to let AI do its thing and see what it creates. Look at this. The platform generated these cinematic images with captions that flow with the music. The visuals have this dark apocalyptic vibe that actually fits the Doomsday concept. Now, I will admit the images aren't specifically referencing Doomsday or Marvel characters, which makes sense given copyright considerations, but the aesthetic is definitely there. One thing I would love to see is the ability to upload your own images for the video. If you could select or upload specific visuals you want to use, this would be a complete video creation suite for music projects. That would truly be the icing on the cake. But as it stands, this is already incredibly impressive. For automated music video creation, you can download the video directly and use it wherever you need. Alright, let's explore another powerful feature. The AI stem splitter. This feature separates a complete song into its individual components, vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments. I'm going to take one of the theme songs we just generated and split it using this feature. This costs 2 additional credits, and you can choose between stem separation or vocal separation. I'm selecting stem separation and hitting the split button. The platform processes the audio and isolates each element. Okay, it took a few minutes, but the results are in. Let me show you what we got. The drums track contains isolated percussions. The vocals track has all the vocal elements. The bass track, well, contains the bass lines only, and the others track contains everything else. Listen to how these separations are.
Scarred with cracks like scars. Every warning we laughed away now burns in the falling stars.
The drums are crisp, the bass is isolated, and you can really hear each component individually. This is incredibly useful if you want to create remixes, remove specific elements, study the composition, or use individual tracks in your own projects. You can download all of these separated tracks, and the platform creates a zip archive with all the components. If you want to dive deeper, you can do vocal separation or split between male and female voices, though that will cost additional credits. So after I created my first Doomsday trailer with the generated theme song, someone in the comments suggested it might work better with just the instrumental, no vocals. And you know what? That's actually a valid point. I took the feedback seriously and I decided to regenerate the music, this time focusing purely on the instrumental elements. First, I extracted the instrumental section I wanted to work with using the stem splitter. However, the result wasn't quite what I was looking for. So I uploaded back the original music that was generated with the platform. Here's where the platform really shines. You can upload your own audio and use it as a base for generation. I'm setting the audio influence to about 83%, which means the AI will heavily reference my original while adding its own enhancements. In the prompt, I'm being very specific. 100% instrumental, no male or female vocals, epic orchestral elements, dark cinematic atmosphere. Maintain the original intensity. The title field has a 180 character limit, so I had to trim my description down. But the core prompts remains the same. Wow, my mind is literally blown right now. Listen to this. This is amazing. The orchestration is richer, the instrumental layers are more complex, and without vocals, it has this pure cinematic quality that's perfect for a trailer. Let us check the second variation. Wow, both of them are actually incredible, but I think we'd both agree the first one is more in line with what we need. It has this perfect trailer energy, it's dramatic, it builds tension, and it would sit perfectly under dialogue and action sequences. This is exactly what I needed. The platform took my feedback, my uploaded audio, and my refined prompt and delivered something even better than the original. Now let me show you one more advanced feature. The AI music to MIDI converter. This tool converts your audio files into MIDI format, which is incredibly useful for music production. I'm uploading the full song and selecting convert to MIDI. This process takes a bit longer, so I'll fast forward through the processing time. Here's the resulting MIDI file. Now, I have to be honest, the conversion isn't perfect. It's attempting to play all the various instruments, but it's assigning them to a limited instrument type in the MIDI format. Sometimes it uses grand piano where drums should be, or vice versa. If you are experienced with music production and MIDI editing, you can definitely refine this and assign the correct instruments on each track. For someone with music editing skills, this is a fantastic starting point, but for casual users, it might require some manual cleanup. Now, here's the final step, integrating the new instrumental track into my trailer. I'm opening up my video editing software and replacing the original audio with our newly generated instrumental version. I'm aligning the audio carefully, making sure the beat match the visual chords and adjusting the levels to sit perfectly under the dialogue and sound effects. And here's the final result.
Death comes for us all. King M'Baku of Wakanda.
I've lost everyone that matters to me.
Are you prepared to die?
Grant me the strength of the old fathers, so that I may fight once more, defeat one more enemy.
The king has his duties. I have mine. To prepare our people.
Now that's what I'm talking about. The instrumental gives it that authentic theatrical trailer feel. It's epic, it's intense, and it perfectly captures what an Avengers Doomsday trailer should sound like. Now, I want to be transparent with you. While MusicCreator.ai is incredibly powerful, you can achieve similar stem separation results using free tools like Audacity with the OpenVino plugin. I tested the same separation in Audacity and the quality was actually quite comparable. So if you are just looking for audio separation and you are on a budget, there are free options available. However, where MusicCreator.ai really excel is in the complete generation pipeline. From text to finished music, the music video creation, the remixing and regeneration capabilities, the intuitive interface that connects all these tools, and the quality of the AI generation itself. So is it worth it? If you're a content creator, musician, artist, or anyone who regularly works with music, absolutely. The platform delivers on its promises. The music generation is genuinely impressive. The quality is professional grade, and the variety of tools makes it a comprehensive solution. The credit system means you pay as you go, which can add up, but the quality of the output justifies the cost for professional use. So that's my deep dive into MusicCreator.ai, from generating epic Marvel theme songs to creating music videos to splitting audio stems. This platform can handle it all. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Doomsday theme song we created. Is there another AI music platform you think can do it better? And would you create with these tools? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye bye.